Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So I will put the limit going here. So we need to focus on this one. Now we have the formula in here. Ln8 to the power of b equals to b Ln8. So 8, that is about this one, b, that is about s squared. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So I will put s squared go to the denominator. When s approaches to number 0, when s approaches to positive infinity, 1 divided by 2 with the positive infinity. This one you got number 0. Fn number 1, you got number 0. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. So we have 0 over 0. And we can use L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one in here, we have negative 1 over 2s squared over 1 plus 1 over 2s. This one we have negative number 2 over s to the power of 3. And now we need to simplify negative and negative. And this one I will go to numerator. So that should be like this. So number 2 and number 2 in here, we can put this one going here. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4, s to the power of 3 and s where we simplify. Next, we need to multiply by 2s on numerator and denominator. And this one, we have 2s plus 1. So s will go in here. So we can see that this one we have the highest power than this one. That means when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. That means this one will go to positive infinity. This is the end. Thank you for watching.